Hello everyone, I am Shivangi Verurkar. Welcome to all of you in my channel Learning with Joy. And in today's session, we are going to see that if suppose we lost our phone or our phone isn't in a silent mode, then how to find out our phone. And if suppose we miss our phone, then how to erase the data from your phone, because once we lost our phone at that time, we are not worried about the cost of our device. Along with it, what are the important content present in that device. We don't want that content will be shared by accessed by somebody else. So instead of accessing that content somebody else, what we can do, we can delete that content from our cell phone. Okay, so for that, just go on your Chrome, and in Chrome write down find my phone. Okay, so when you click on find my phone, so first of all I will tell you that my phone right now, is it in a silent mode? I don't know, are you able to see it properly or not, but my phone is it in a silent mode. And if suppose we kept our phone it in a silent mode and we want to search our phone, then it's very difficult, as we know that if it is on a ringing mode, then we can easily find out our phone in our home. Okay, so to find our phone, we can use this application. If suppose our phone is present in home only and we want to find by ringing, and our phone it is in a silent mode or it in a vibrate mode, so how to find? First option. Second, if you lost your phone, then look at the location of your phone. And third thing is that as you come to know after 24 or 48 hours that you lost your phone, anyhow you don't want somebody else will access your data, so to erase that data. So all those things we are going to work out in a today's session. So for that, what you people have to do, just go it in a Chrome and type find my phone, and then click here allow. Once you click here allow, what will happen, as my email id was already signed in, because of it came directly, so what I will do, I will just first sign out from here, so that you people will come to know all the steps. Okay, so right now I am not signed in with any mail. Then I will write here in a Chrome find my phone. Once you click on find my phone, then click here find my phone or find my device. So you have to click on find my phone, then it will ask you find your phone, lost your phone, try some simple steps for searching your phone. So click on sign in to start. Once you click on sign in with start, you know that your mail id is registered with your phone number. So click on your email id and then click next. Okay, so right now you people can see here that my phone is Samsung Galaxy A6 is here, and what we are having, we come to know that my registered phone brand is this. And right now, as I have shown you people that my phone is on a silent mode, so what I want to do, I just want to check out the things that where is my phone. So to do this, I will just click here. You can see that my phone name is came. Okay, so timing is shown right now, today is 11:35. Now what I will do, I will just click on a ring. Once I click on a ring, although my phone is not on a silent mode, till it will ring. Okay, so just see, so it's trying to contact with your phone, and you can see that my phone is ringing. Okay, so you can see that you're ringing your phone. Okay, so although my phone was at in a vibrating mode, till my phone was ringing. So this is the option you are having to locate your phone. Clear? So this is the option you are having to locate your check your phone by ringing. As you know that my phone was at in a silent mode. Okay, so now it will ring for a 5 minute. Okay, device has stopped ringing. You can see that right now here it is shown device has stopped ringing. Okay, so in this way, if you forget your phone somewhere else, then you can find out by ringing, although your phone was on a silent mode. Okay, this is a one option to ring your phone. Now second step, we have to locate our phone. So to find the location of your phone, if you feel your phone is not in a home, okay, although it's ring but you are unable to hear a ring, if suppose your phone is not at home, then to find a location of your phone, just click on a locate. So once you click on a locate, and if your phone is it in a reachable coverage area, okay, then here it's contacting with a device. Okay, so for this your GPS location should be on within your phone, and then once it will contact, what you people will do, you people can search out a location of this. Okay, so as it is contacting only, so it's not showing, but once it get in a reachable area, you and your phone is on, then what you will do, you will able to locate your phone. Okay, you will able to locate your phone. This is another option you are having to locate your phone. Then next option you are having in this app, find my device, secure your device. Okay, so lock the device and sign out from your Google account. So you can also display the message or phone number on your lock screen. You can still locate your device after it's locked. Okay, so this is option we are having to secure your device. So you can put here recovery message and put here recovery message for your phone and put your phone number. So in this way you can make secure your device. Add message and phone number and leave a message who can find your device and message. So you can give your alternate number, like you can give your brother number, sister number, husband number, alternate number you can give here, and you can provide secure your device. So suppose I am giving, if I lost my phone, please verify. So I will give my husband number. Clear? So like this we can make our device secure here. So whenever something happen, your device is secured. To review the recent activity, protect your Google account, take a few minutes. Okay, so you can click on the security checkup and you will get further steps. Okay, here, so all those things, your device is recovered and all options you are getting. Okay, so I am not doing further more lot, but I think you people understood. Once it is activated, message from your mobile goes like this. You can see at this screenshot, and call will ring on your alternate mobile number. Okay. Now, if you feel that after 24 hour or 48 hour that you are not getting your phone and you are having very secure and important data in it, and I hope everybody is knowing that you should have a backup about your data, and then you don't want that your information will be shared by anyone, some private message may be there. So what we should do, we should delete all the messages, nobody will can access your message. So you are having this option immediately. If you feel you lost your phone, just click on this erase device option and you can clear all the, once you click on this, you will delete all the content present on your device. So I am not deleting here, but I think you people got my point, what I want to explain you. So in this way, this find my phone is a very important app we are having, find my device, to locate your phone. If your phone is it in a silent mode, then make it ring, find a location and erase the content. All those features are very essential, we should aware about all this feature, I thought, so I made video for you people. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel Learning with Joy, and to get updated versions, updated video updation about this video, be in a touch with me. So please watch my channel Learning with Joy. Thank you, bye bye, take care.